skill gaps and metamorphose from underperformance to extraordinary performance, paid to pass, sustained to super, slow to fast, and finally least to the best. Another objective of conducting this Novum Today Fest is to impart high degree of self-confidence, self-esteem, and effective communication. In Novum, we have conducted competitions in technical paper presentations, technical poster presentations, model expo, technical quiz, model making, debugging, code exchange, mobile application design, web mania, software tool, code hunt, robo race, rugged rover, etc. We have conducted competitions in culturals also, that is in classical singing, western dance, mime, mimicry, one-act play, skit, short film, etc. Also conducted competitions in sports like volleyball. నిన్న ఈరోజు ఈ డయాస్ మీద దాదాపు 500 మంది స్టూడెంట్స్ కనీసం 12 అవర్స్ పాటు స్టేజ్ మొత్తం రాకింగ్ అనమాట. నిన్న మార్నింగ్ 11:30కి స్టార్ట్ అయినటువంటిది ఈరోజు ఇంకా అవలా. ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అయిపోయిన తర్వాత ఇంకా 1 గంట కార్యక్రమం ఉంది. సో ఈ ఎనర్జీ లెవెల్స్ మీకు ఎంత ఉన్నాయో సంగతి నాకు ఇప్పుడే తెలుస్తూ ఉంది ఈ 2 days ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ మచ్ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు శ్రీ వైవి ఆంజనేయులు గారు, చైర్మన్ చరపతి ఎడ్యుకేషనల్ సొసైటీ. మనం ఇలాంటి ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఎక్కువ సందర్భాల్లో ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేయండి, స్టూడెంట్ని అలర్ట్ చేయండి, స్టూడెంట్కి క్లాస్ రూమ్ నాలెడ్జే కాకుండా ఈ టైపు ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ కండక్ట్ చేయండి అని చెప్పేసి ఒక డ్రైవింగ్ ఫోర్స్ లాగా ఇప్పుడు జనరల్గా మేము ముందుండాలి, ఆయన ముందుండి మమ్మల్ని నడిపిస్తూ ఉంటారు. అలానే ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంకి ప్రొఫెసర్ కొడాలి శ్రీనివాస్ గారు, ప్రిన్సిపల్ డాక్టర్ పి సురేష్ బాబు గారు చాలా కోఆపరేట్ చేసి ఈ 2 days Novum 2014 చాలా సక్సెస్ఫుల్గా రన్ చేయడానికి కారకులయ్యారు. ఐఎమ్ వెరీ మచ్ థ్యాంక్ఫుల్ టు ప్రొఫెసర్ వీణరావు గారు, వైస్ ఛాన్సలర్ ఆచార్య నాగార్జున యూనివర్సిటీ, అండ్ ఇంజనీర్ రామకృష్ణ గారు, మేనేజింగ్ డైరెక్టర్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్ విజయవాడ, శ్రీ గౌతమ్ రాజ్ గారు, సీనియర్ ఆర్టిస్ట్, for readily accepting our invitation, though they have hectic schedules. I am very much thankful to HODs, staff coordinators, student coordinators who worked day and night for the last 10 days for making this function a grand success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for organizing the event very efficiently and making it a grand success.
I now cordially invite our beloved principal, Dr. P. Suresh Babu Garu, to address the gathering. Please, sir.
Professor Kodali Srinivas Garu, Program Convener, Professor J. Kishore Babu Garu, HODs, teaching and non-teaching staff, sponsors, print and electronic media, and other dignitaries, and my dear young student friends, a very good evening to one and all. So just now mentioned by Professor Kishore Babu Garu that our chairman is at the forefront to motivate all of us to conduct such a grand event in our college, and we are very much thankful to our chairman Sri Vaivya Anjaneyar Garu once again. Thank you, sir. The college was established with a vision to create engineers having the drive, skill and confidence to become the pioneers of tomorrow. The year that went was more esteemed than many before. The celebration spirits and display of talent once again proved us true to our goal. The ethos of a college is determined by the all-round development of its students. Along with the academic development, its extracurricular activities, cultural and sports activities together that make the personality of a student. Although very soon I am going to share with you all the specific accomplishments of our students made in this particular year and last year, that I want to express my heartiest congratulations to all of you and thank you for giving these proud moments to us. For a teacher, the biggest moment of joy and happiness is the success of their students. So on behalf of the entire teaching and non-teaching staff, I thank my students for being coachable and taking extraordinary actions in life and creating success which makes us worth being teachers. Thank you all the students, thank you very much. So now I am going to present the report of this year's achievement in our college. First of all, I would like to go through the academic achievements. So many students have achieved extraordinary performance, and so many students who have passed out in 2012-13 year have achieved more than 90% overall percentage once they have passed out of the college. N. Tejaswini of final year passed out civil student 90.11%. Then D. Bhargavi 92.1% of this is second year civil. She is at present she secured 92.4% so far. Then passed out student B. Adilakshmi 86.3% belongs to CSE branch, and I from IT branch M. Rana Yashwant, who is currently working in Cognizant Technologies, secured 82.61% overall once he passed out of his college. Then from ECE, the passed out batch MTVS Sai Kumar secured 92.58%. And presently, in final year, we have a student M. Murali Krishna with 95% of aggregate. We are expecting university rank for him. And from third year ECE, S. Priyanka is with 90.49% at present. Along with the academics, we are having excellence in several competitions outside the college, being conducted in and around Guntur at state level, national level. Many of our students have participated in curricular and co-curricular activities. I am going to a few of them to mention. K. Narendra Babu has won technical quiz at VV8, first prize at VV8 recently. They have conducted from Civil Engineering Department. And Sai Krishna Chandini, they have secured first prize in patriotic dance in Kids Engineering College. And P. Harshavardhan secured AutoCAD design, first rank in AutoCAD design in a technical fest conducted at Kids Engineering College. Similarly, P. Sai Krishna, Y. Sai Krishna, they have secured technical paper presentation prize in a competition conducted at BUIT. And then Code Hunt, G. Triveni, she secured first prize in VR Siddhartha Engineering College. And so many to mention regarding curricular, co-curricular activities. They have won so many prizes to our college, and they have brought the laurels to our college. Then we have conducted so many, similarly we have so many to list. So these are the achievements from the student side, and we have organized several industrial tours for the students for the upgradation of the knowledge. And students are also involved in several service activities, and recently we have conducted blood donation camp in our campus, and prior to that, 1 week before that, we have conducted a tree plantation in the nearby village Lam. Then regarding faculty achievements, we have being several papers.
ఉద్భవించిన తారాజువే మన సిఐటి నోవా. యువతరం గళమెత్తితే, నవతరం నర్తిస్తే, మూవెత్తిన ఎగిసిన కెరటమే మన సిఐటి నోవా. సాంకేతిక విద్యకు సాంస్కృతిక సొగసులను అద్దితే అవతరించిన అద్భుత సమ్మేళనమే మన సిఐటి నోవా. చదువు సంధ్య, ఆట పాట, వేళవింపుతో ఉత్తేజంతో నిన్న ఈ సభకు శిరస వంచి నమస్కారం చేస్తున్నాను. ఈనాటి ఈ సభకు అధ్యక్షత వహించిన మాన్యులు మన చలపతి విద్యా సంస్థల అధినేత, మా అందరికీ ఆదర్శప్రాయుడు మరియు ఈ నాటి కార్యక్రమానికి ప్రోత్సహించిన శక్తి వ్యక్తి మరియు విఎన్ఆర్రావు గారికి, అలాగే విజయవాడ దాని పరిసర ప్రాంతాల్లో ఇండస్ట్రియలిస్ట్గా ఎంతోమంది ఔత్సాహిక ఇంజనీర్లకి ఒక ఆదర్శప్రాయమైన వ్యక్తిగా ఉన్న మిత్రులు ఇంజనీరు శ్రీ రామకృష్ణ గారికి, అలాగే మనకి ఎన్నో సినిమాల్లో కనిపించగానే మన ఆనందాన్ని మతంలో ప్రతిబింబేలాగా మన మనసుల్లో ఒక ముద్ర వేసుకున్న సినీ నటుడు శ్రీ గౌతమ్ రాజు గారికి, ఈ నోం కన్వీనర్ కిషోర్ బాబు గారు, అలాగే మన ప్రిన్సిపాల్ డాక్టర్ సురేష్ బాబు గారు, మరియు ఎన్నో కాలేజీల నుంచి కష్టపడి ఎలా, ఎప్పుడు, ఎవడు ఇత్యాది ప్రశ్నలే పశువు నుంచి వేరుపరిచే నరుని. ప్రశ్నతోనే నరుడు పరిణామం అందిరా నా నవతరానికి బాట నార్లవారి మాట. ప్రశ్నతోనే నరుడు పరిణామం చెందిరా. ఎప్పుడైనా ప్రశ్నించిన తర్వాతే ఈనాటి ఈ అభివృద్ధిని మనం సాధించాం. అలాంటి ప్రశ్నించే తత్వం, పరిశీలించే గుణం, శోధించే తత్వం మీలో ప్రోధి చేయడానికి ఈ నోవం ఎంతో కొంత కృషి చేసిందని మేము ఆశిస్తున్నాం. విజ్ఞానం ఏర్పడాలంటే జ్ఞానం విజ్ఞాన సహితం అయి ఉండాలి. జ్ఞానం ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి ఉంటుంది, కానీ అది విజ్ఞానాన్ని సంతరించుకుంటే అద్భుతమైన ప్రపంచం ఆవిష్కృతమవుతుంది. ఈ విజ్ఞాన సంపార్జనలో 3 ఉన్నాయి. ఒకటి అనుకరణ. అనుకరణ అంటే ఒకదాన్ని చూసి దాన్ని చేయటం, అంటే మిమిక్రీ లాంటిది, లేకపోతే కాపీ అండ్ పేస్ట్ లాంటి విషయాలు. ఈ అనుకరణ సినిమా యాక్టర్ని చూసి మీరు డ్యాన్స్ చేయొచ్చు, లేకపోతే ఒక మిమిక్రీ ఆర్టిస్ట్ లాగా ఒక టోన్ని మీరు ఇమిటేట్ చేయొచ్చు. ఇది ఒక డెవలప్మెంట్లో ఒక అంశం అయితే, అనుసరణ రెండోది ఏంటంటే ఒక పరంపరలో కొనసాగించటం. అంతకుముందు చేసిన దాన్ని మనం పాటిస్తూ దాన్ని ఇంప్రూవ్ చేస్తూ దాన్ని ముందుకు తీసుకువెళ్ళటం అనుసరణ. దాని తర్వాత అనుసృజన. అనుసృజన అంటే కొత్తది పాతదాన్నే కొంచెంగా మార్పు చేసి కొత్తగా అది పాత విషయాన్నే కొత్తగా ఉండేటట్టు చెప్పేదే అనుసృజన. ఇప్పుడు ఈ 3 అంశాల్లో మీకు బెస్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ ఇక్కడ మన స్టేజ్ మీదే ఉన్నారు. అనుకరణ అంటే మన గౌతమ్ రాజు గారిని తీసుకోవచ్చు. వారు నటనలో వీటిలో మీకు ఒక అనుకరణని ప్రసాదిస్తారు. అనుసరణ అంటే ఒక సిస్టమ్ని ఇంకా బాగా ఫాలో అవటం. దానికి బెస్ట్ ఉదాహరణ మన విసి గారు, విఎన్ఆర్రావు గారు. అనుసృజన అంటే ఒక విషయాన్ని కొంచెం నూతనంగా సృజించి దాన్ని సమాజానికి అందించే ఆ అనుసృజన చేసిన వ్యక్తి డి రామకృష్ణ గారు.
Because of the global warming. So now the entire world is spending trillions of dollars to control the global warming. If they don't control the global warming, it is going to be a big disaster for the entire earth. That's where a lot of investment is going on that area. So what are the issues in the global warming?
what are the things which we should try to learn or try to explore or develop new products. One is renewable energy, where the carbon footprint is going to be reduced. That is fundamentally how you have to start looking into the technology. That's where whether you talk about solar energy or wind energy, or how to mitigate that entire thing so that we'll be able to reduce the carbon footprint. Other side of the coin is how you are going to reduce the, say, the energy consumption in a lighting or even any of the appliances. This is the area where there is a lot of opportunities are there. Similarly, if you take from the mechanical engineering, maybe battery cars or maybe hybrid cars, these are the areas where the new technologies and the emerging areas. So in that area, again, the batteries are going to be most important area where you have a lot of opportunities. So by keeping in this view, are your knowledge or whatever your subjects are you learning towards that, start looking into that. That will be able to give you a long future. Coming to the India, unfortunately, last decade or even recently also, you have a lot of opportunities in IT. Unfortunately, majority of the engineering, even mechanical engineers or even civil engineers also joined into the IT companies. But you may not have that same jobs in the coming years, or even if you have jobs also, it is not going to be of the tune of the salaries what you are going to expect in the past. Now today, a civil engineer or a mechanical engineer who has good knowledge is able to get 40,000-50,000 very starting salary, but whereas IT jobs they are able to give only 20-30. That's going to be the same. So this is where I feel now the real engineering is going to emerge in a country. This is where the more opportunities are there, whether it is electrical engineering, electronic engineering or whatever. So are we going to learn that area? That's leaving the IT, keeping that aspirations of the IT. Otherwise, you will be in great trouble, because unfortunately, even last few days back, even there is a lot of news in the newspapers saying that previously in IT companies, the jobs or the work which we get in the IT companies is based on number of hours we work. That means we bill based on number of hours. But today it is not like that. Already 50% of the clients is asking them to deliver on the delivery basis for this job, this much is the money. Then what is going to happen and what has happened previously? Suppose if you are going to be billed by the number of hours time, whether you have a talent or if you are not having talent, even it's good for the company, because you will be going to do the same work for instead of 10 hours, maybe 100 hours. There will be more money is going to come to the company. But today, when it is asked to do it for a particular time, that is on the job basis, automatically your efficiency or capability is going to come into the picture. If you don't have capability, you will not be nowhere, no more in the company. Even recently, Infosys Narayan Murthy even given an open call to all his employees. If you are not able to perform, you better leave the company. This is where now the change in scenario all of you has to understand. So that is the most important problem in IT company. Apart that, there is another point of the thing is in IT companies up till now, majority of the job is on a financial side, whether it's the banking or it's the finance and all that. But now the future is going to be not only India, across the world, embedded systems. The embedded systems is going to be dominate in entire world in every area. Because now the latest CPUs are available at the cost of $1. Automatically they are repeating the same characters. So that will not help this. This is where there is a big challenge. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Thank you, sir, for your valuable speech, and we'll try not to be a part of global warming. Thank you for talking about the opportunities of present-day jobs in various fields like IT and embedded domain, and also stressing about unemployment in various countries.
Now I invite T. Avinash Gupta of final year ECE.
Krishna PG and put up so far more than 3 decades of teaching experience. He was one among the very few to have
Communication engineering and very much known, having Indian Railways as a big client. I think you can draw inspiration from him. You can make a study out of his own effort. I do not know how many of you have really visited his plant. And we also have an association with his enterprise with him in terms of being a member in our boards of studies and various other committees that we constitute, being an industrial expert, and also not only that, we are offering a course in their association for instrumentation technology. I think many of you would be interested. I think I suggest to you that you also take interest to visit his group of institutions, and the most attractive personality, and I am also really interested like you. I do not want to make a long speech, also to hear along with all of you to the famous cine actor Sri Gautam Raju garu. మరి నేను ఇప్పుడే చెప్పాను వారితో మాట్లాడుంటే నన్ను మీరు కొద్దిగా క్షమించాలి, ఎందుకంటే ఫుల్ లెంగ్త్ మూవీలు చూసే టైం ఉండదు. అప్పుడప్పుడు బిట్లు చూసి మీ యొక్క పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ని ఆనందించేటువంటి అవకాశం కలుగుతూ ఉంటుందని. సో దట్ వే ఐ థింక్ ఐ జాయిన్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ ఇన్ ఎంజాయింగ్ ది ప్రెజెంట్ మూమెంట్స్ వెన్ హీ addresses you, I think maybe with performance, and the principal of the college who has been after me in trying to invite me for this, because I was having a tight schedule this day and also tomorrow, and he could leave me for the inaugural, but he could catch me for this valedictory. So Dr. Suresh Babu garu and the director Srinivas garu and the very important and the person taking very strenuous work in organizing this NOVA, our respected personality, another Kishore Babu garu, he is sitting here, and the invitees, faculty seated off the dais, and also young student friends, invitees present here. It gives me very immense pleasure, and much has been said so much about the way you are really required to organize yourselves. I only speak for a few minutes on the very concept of NOVA, and our friends, your own classmates of